Ciao everybody, I'm here. I'm in the farm under the banana tree. We're gonna put some little business here under the banana tree called Batchoy and halo-halo. And look at this, this is all the local things of Philippines. Under the banana trees. We're back to nature and organic. Look at this, the banana trees over here. To start, but we need to extend more in the back. This is our banana, and we're gonna have a little bit of restaurant here for the locals. So we're gonna build our little garden area for the herbs like basil and parsley. Our herbs here like basil and parsley and onions, our kitchen. We're gonna have a little place to have a snack pot for this is called planting our herbs in the kitchen. We're gonna put a lot of basil leaves here and parsley and sibuyas dahon. We have a lot of banana here. It's really good for potassium. So it's time to eat some fresh halo-halo because it's sunny and humid today. Come and visit us. This is only in relaxing ni Lola Nati halo-halo and Batchoy. See you! Here, trying to mix our little bit of snacks banana. This is the old fashioned way how to do it. Nilupak na banana dito sa aming probinsya. Kami isang probinsyano. And look, this is how we do it. Probinsyana. Look at this. Here's a banana from our probinsya under Lola Nati relaxing garden. You wanna join us? Come. This is for snacks of the day. Ciao. This is all in Donna Zanidi Travel Cooking and Culture.